Hey everybody, it's Cole Powell here from Qore Performance to show you how to replace your magnetic pegs for your IceCase magnetic SunShield. So first what we're gonna do is we're gonna pop out our magnetic pegs just with our thumbs right here. Don't need to worry about damaging the SunShield in any way because it's made out of a super strong PEGS material. So it can just be flexed around endlessly and it won't snap, so don't worry about that. Then we're gonna take our replacements that are now fully encapsulated. The magnet will never come out of this. So we're gonna place it into our hole and then go around the edge with a flathead screwdriver. You'll hear little clicks all the way around. That's it going over the little ridge on the peg, and it's fully installed now. So we're gonna go ahead, put all four in real quick just so you can see how quick and easy this really is. Get our little clicks all around. Here's the second one, and here's the third. And the last one. And that is how you install your magnetic pegs on your IceCase magnetic SunShield.